Okay.
Oh, in the
So we're here in Oakland. Another video. Go. Nice house, well staged. They're looking for $599 for this house. There you go. Yeah, $599 for this one. This time I'm gonna introduce you guys. This is my lovely wife, Ebony, and this is her lovely friend, Shayla. And we're looking at houses again in Oakland, round 3. Here we go. This is actually a very nice house. So look at the neighborhood here. This time I'll show you a little bit of the backyard. South Oakland, that's where we are. Yeah, looks good. Let's see what she thinks. So they thought that last house was cute, but it was right next to the airport, so it's a really busy street. It's kind of noisy, but this one here is 108th Street neighborhood. The parking's a little tight. It's a very narrow street, but overall, it's a really good-looking house. They put some work into it. Let's go check it out. Here. Oh, this is a really big room here. Is it a bedroom? Yeah, this is the master bedroom right here. You got a rebuilt, remodeled bathroom as well. There's another bedroom here. And it's a walled off kitchen. And a dining area as well, which goes right into the backyard. And you got a third bedroom back here. You can see the backyard right here. It's also been manicured, and there's also a little storage area there from the, and that's not the storage, it's actually a garage door from the one-car garage. So let's see what they think of this house here. Okay, that last house we were at, she really liked it. In fact, we're gonna put an offer on that one. But I went to another home after that one, and there were pit bulls in the front yard there. And I called the agent saying, "Hey, you got some dogs here," and they never responded. I don't know what the problem is. Some agents, I text them, I call them. In fact, my wife gets upset at me because I pick up the phone for everybody. Scam calls, no recognized numbers. I don't care. I'm not gonna bite you. You want to talk to me? Talk to me. But call the agent, never called. So we came to this house here on 77th Street here in Oakland, and let's see how this one looks. So it's the second yellow door. I guess yellow doors are in now. I don't know. Really good looking house here, completely remodeled. They're asking $600 for this one. Been in the market for 16 days. Wow. There's a washroom back here. There's a bedroom here. Bedroom, 3 bedroom. Well, this is impressive, huh? Babe, you like it? Nice. Yeah. How's that backyard look? Yeah. Oh yeah, look at this. Very nice house. Yeah. And it's interesting, they had a fireplace here, but they blocked it off for some reason. But they like the house, so we'll see. So that was it. We looked at 5 houses today. Actually a little windy today. My hair's getting a little messed up, but I think we'll be okay. So yeah, we'll see what happens. She definitely liked the third one we saw, and liked this one over here as well. Where'd it go? I think it's that one behind me, that blue one. Yeah, so put a couple offers in, see what happens.